Welcome to Ocean View Farms, Los Angeles' largest organic community garden. Founded in 1977, our nonprofit is 6.5 acres with 500 garden plots and 357 garden members. Ocean View Farms has won many grants and awards, including a commendation from the Los Angeles mayor in 2007. Every year, our composting program converts over 250 tons of green and stable waste into luscious earth available free to members and the surrounding community. Our current goal is expanding the children's programs emphasizing math and science, using our Monarch Way Station and introducing vermiculture. We give children an opportunity to see, smell, taste, and touch nature in our garden. We want to add a greenhouse and an enclosure nearby to offer a year-round habitat for nectar and food plants of the monarch butterflies. We strongly believe that the future of our planet can be influenced by young visitors who see organic gardening showcased here at Ocean View Farms. We hope you will support our educational efforts with voting for us to have an organic gardening and Deloche Vineyards grant. For more information, please visit our website, oceanviewfarms.net.